So what is this, babe?
That's chicken katsu Caesar salad sandwich.
Ooh.
And chicken skin.
Ooh. It kind of smells like a snack wrap. Does it? Let me try it. It does taste like a snack wrap. It's good though. What kind of cheese did you put?
Mozzarella and then Parmesan. Parmesan's in the salad part.
What's in the seasoning for the chicken?
A little bit of smoked paprika on the actual chicken. And then the other parts is going to be black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder.
No wonder I taste that. The smoky flavor. I was confused because I was like, why does it kind of taste like barbecue?
Is it bad?
Well, I mean, I'm just particular in like...
You want huckleberry?
Oh, yeah. Very yummy. I'm just particular in the smoky flavor. I mean, because I don't really like smoky flavor or barbecue tasty flavors.
So maybe if I switch it up to regular paprika.
Yeah. Probably. Yummy. Very yummy.